Hi everybody, my name's Christina McGinnis, but please call me Chrissy. I currently live outside of Corryville with my husband, my little brother, and our two cats, Celine and Nix. I am in the MSNE program here at the college, and I currently work at both the college and at Lancaster General. At Lancaster General, I am a PACU nurse, so I recover patients after surgery, make sure they're nice and awake, make sure they're stable. And here at the college, I am a clinical instructor for the third semester of the associate's degree program. Let's see, favorite hobbies. I have a lot. I like to go outside with my hubby. We play a lot of Pokemon Go, if you're familiar with that. I also play a lot of video games in general with my husband. And I like to read a lot. Let's see, childhood dream. So it's actually quite fitting that I'm both a nurse and going through the education program. I wanted to be a nurse, I knew from the age of 8 after my little brother had brain surgery. There was a nurse there. Her name was Michelle. She was a night shift nurse. She would leave after her night shift and go to Dunkin' Donuts and get my mom coffee and get me a strawberry frosted sprinkle donut. So think Simpsons donut. She did this every day she worked through our entire week-long stay there at the PICU. Um, so I knew from a really long time that I wanted to be a nurse. And then part of me also wanted to be a teacher. So you can imagine how excited I was when I realized that I could put the two together and teach nursing. So the 6-year-old inside of me is ecstatic and super ready to do both of these things. As for this course, I'm a very kinesthetic learner, and I'm a very kinesthetic educator that I have discovered over the last 2 semesters teaching here at the college. I would really like to learn how to implement other learning styles and teaching styles. That way I can better accommodate my students and be a better, well-rounded educator in the end. I'm looking forward to this semester, and I hope you all have as much fun as I do.